Hello everyone. Welcome to Top 7 YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about top 7 largest gold mines in the world. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. Let's start. Number 7. Kibali, Democratic Republic of Congo. The Kibali gold mine is both an open-pit mine and an underground mine operated by Anglo Gold Ashanti, who owns 45%, Barrick Gold Corporation, who owns 45%, and Société Minière de Kilomoto, who owns 10%. The mine is located around 220 kilometers away from Isro, and in 2020, it produced 808 Ks of gold. Number 6. Kadia East, Australia. Despite being Australia's biggest gold mine, Kadia East finds itself in 6th position on the list of biggest gold mines in the world. This mine system consists of the Kadia East underground panel cave mine as well as the Ridgeway underground mine, and has an annual production of around 823 Ks. Number 5. Grassbur, Indonesia. The underground mining of Grassbur is a huge operation, as it has around 30,000 employees to work the mine that is located in the Papua region of Indonesia. Whilst gold production has been slowly decreasing over the past 20 years, with the output being 3,500 Ks in 2001 compared to 848 Ks in 2021, it is still doing relatively well to place 5th on this list. Number 4. Pueblo Viejo, Dominican Republic. The Pueblo Viejo mine is mined by a gold mining company known as Pueblo Viejo Dominicana Corporation, a joint venture consisting of Barrick Gold and Newmont, who have a 60% to 40% split respectively. In 2020, this open-pit mine produced 903 Ks of gold, an impressive output. Number 3. Olympiada, Russia. In 3rd place on the list of biggest gold mines in the world is Olympiada in Russia. This open-pit mine is mined by Police. To give you an idea of the amount of gold produced by this mine in particular, Police is Russia's biggest gold producer. It's the world's 4th biggest gold producer, and the gold that they are able to retrieve from Olympiada accounts for almost half of Police's gold production. There is thought to be around 30 million ounces of gold in the mine, with an annual production of 1,200 Ks. Number 2. Carlin, USA. The Carlin Trend mines, which can be found in Nevada, USA, are unique for a few reasons. Firstly, it is a combination of mines along an extremely lengthy belt in Nevada, spanning around 56 kilometers long and 8 kilometers wide, allowing it to span an impressive distance. However, the kind of gold found in the mine is known as invisible gold, making it a unique mine in itself. Invisible gold means that the gold is only discoverable through chemical analysis due to the microscopic nature of it. Regardless of the fact that it would appear that there is no gold present, the mine produces around 1,665 Ks of gold per year. Number 1. Muruntau, Uzbekistan. The Muruntau mine in Uzbekistan is the largest gold mine in the world in terms of production. In a single year, Muruntau produces over 2 million ounces of gold. Located in the Qizilqum Desert of Uzbekistan, it is the world's biggest open-pit mine, hence making its physical size just as impressive as its material output. The mine itself is roughly 3.3 kilometers long, 2.5 kilometers wide and 600 meters deep, affording it a massive presence in the desert. Within this huge mine, there is believed to be over 150 million ounces of gold, therefore solidifying its top spot within the list of biggest gold mines in the world.